Alright, so in this video what we're going to actually do is utilize the traffic light example, but we're going to do DDE through like reading tags from your PLC or your Studio 5000 program. We're going to do that through Excel. So I'm going to open up Excel and show you how easy and simple this can be. Now, we already have Excel open. It's just sheet 1. There's no special things about it. What I will do, because we will be eventually going to add a write component, but not on this video. This is just going to be a read component. But what I will do is go ahead and go into options and make sure that I do have developmental mode on. Now with that said, again, so what we need to do first, now that we have our PLC programs running, everything's talking, everything's doing what it's supposed to, we're going to go into DDE OPC. We're going to make a topic. I'm going to call this topic traffic light, and then I'm going to point it, and I'm going to spell that right. Traffic light. Whoops, sorry. Okay, traffic light. There you go. All right, so and I'm going to point it to the processor type that I'm on. Now the processor is currently in slot 10. I'm going to go and choose slot 10. Now, so that means I have an OPC topic or a DDE topic for that's called traffic light attached to the emulator that I'm currently running right now. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to sit here, I'm going to actually show you an easy way to do this. Now, if I just want to read data, let's just go ahead and we want to read data. You can go ahead and well, first off, you want to test your data to make sure your OPC DDE is working. You can go to copy right here. You can go right here, and you can go to traffic, you can go online and see if you have any online tags. See how easy that is? And so for instance, like if we want to come in here and pick a component, even do offline, we can do offline, we can do online, we can do the simulator, timers, traffic light controls, traffic light controls right here. We can do this position, we can do whatever position we're in. Like if we wanted to know what position we're currently in, what we can do is we can say okay right here and then go into Excel and just merely right click and paste as special. Paste the link. We paste the link. This is the tag that it's going to say. It's going to say equals RS links, and then it's going to have a bracket. Then it's going to have your OPC topic, which is traffic light. You can see that, right? Then it's going to have an exclamation mark, and then it's going to give the name of the component or the tag you want to look at. In this case, it's the traffic light control, and we're looking at the position. So that's basically how that's working. I'm going to exit that. So this is going to give the actual position that it's currently going in. So we're actually reading data directly from the PLC right now. And I can show you that because based upon the information that we are getting right here in the position. Now I can also do this too. I can also come in here and take this tag and, or actually let's just do this. Let's duplicate what we have here. Let's take what we have here. And the reason I want to duplicate it is because the simple fact of it just already has the code, and I'm going to take it and put it down here in the next slot. Now with that said, let's just see, hold on, let's back out of that and let's come in here and add this and copy that and paste it in there. What I want to do is change the tag. I'm going to change the tag right here and change this tag to from control light control position. I'm going to paste it in there as traffic light on, and then you can see exactly what position that is. And so you can see right now the data that we're collecting, right? If you can look, it's the traffic light itself, the traffic light ons is actually, it's coinciding right here. This traffic light on, this traffic light underscore on bit, or the destination I should say, the dent, is actually tracking right here. And you can see, so this is an easy way to collect data. And it's also an easy way to understand that your OPC is locked. So if I go over here and I can do this, my OPC in DDE is locked. Now I'm not using it as an OPC, I'm using it as a DDE, a dynamic data exchange. Again, so this is really simple, really easy to do. You can see it's on a functional system, and we're currently looking at the bit level right here, right? So keep that in mind, that if we looked at the position, you can see we're pointing to the position. Now if we looked at if we wanted to actually like drill down and get the actual bit level and stuff like that, we could do that, right? We can tell which light's on at which time based upon, you know, if we went in here and monitored the tags, and we went in here to say, okay, well, at this point we want to do this tag, right? We want to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go all the way down. And depending upon how many tags we're using, right, this would be obviously pretty easy to do. All we have to do is keep duplicating the system. Like right now, we can come in here and say this is currently the tag position, or the expression, or let's just say this, it's the array position. Okay, that's the array position. This is going to be the light control, and don't know why it gave me a space right there, but let's just widen that out a little bit so you can see it, give it that way. It's so you can understand this is the array position, this is the light position. Now if we wanted to break down the bit level, all we have to do is sit here and copy this over, or copy this over. We'll come over here and do this, and we'll come back over here, paste this in here, and then this time we'll come back in here and populate down there. Let me get rid of this. Populate this tag as, well, actually we keep it the same. We just type in 0, which is pretty simple, right? And we can just duplicate that and just keep duplicating that down. And for each one of these, we want to just change this to bit 1. This will be bit 2. So we'll change that to bit 2. We'll change this to bit 3. Okay, we'll change this to bit that's bit 3. This is bit 4. This, so we got bit 4. We got bit, this is going to be bit 5. This is going to be bit 6. And so you see how easy and simple this can be, right? So this is going to be bit 7. I don't think we're using all of these, so some of these are going to stay zeros, not a big deal. But you see with the traffic light itself, we probably don't need this one, we probably don't need this one, we probably don't need this one, but the or the actual dent, the 10 equals, the binary for that is right here. So the binary for this number right here is going to be listed down here. So that just shows you realistically what lights are on, what lights are off, what lights, and again, how that's working with that FLA or that FAL instruction that I showed you before in the prior video. But again, this is reading data. Okay, so we went from, we're taking an Excel spreadsheet, we made an OPC topic or DDE topic, and then we started importing data. Now it's just that simple. So when it comes to reading data, it's really simple. Writing data is a little bit different, and I'll show you guys on the next video. Hopefully you learned a lot on this one. We'll see you guys on the next one.